introduction to biology. First of all, we will define science. Science is the study in which observations are made, experiments are done, and logical conclusions are drawn to understand the principles of nature. In science, observations are made, experiments are done, and logical conclusions are drawn to understand the principles of nature. The scientific information is increasing day by day, so the scientific information is classified into different branches like biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, etc. Now we define biology. Biology is the study of living things or scientific study of life. The study of living things or scientific study of life is called biology. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words. First word is bios, meaning life, and the second one is logos, meaning thought, study, or reasoning, reasoning. So, the study of living things or scientific study of life is called biology. There are divisions of biology. Now we will discuss about the divisions of biology. There are three major divisions of biology. First division is zoology, second division is botany, third division is microbiology. First division is zoology, second division is botany, and the third division is microbiology. Zoology. This is the division of biology. In zoology, we discuss about the animals. The study of animals is called zoology. The study of animals is called zoology. The study of plants is called botany. The study of plant is called botany. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms like bacteria. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms like bacteria. So, there are three divisions of biology which are zoology, botany and microbiology. These three divisions further divided into different branches. These branches are given as: first one is morphology, second one is anatomy, histology, cell biology, physiology, genetics. Morphology. What is morphology? The branch which deals with the study of forms and structures. Form and structures of living organisms is called morphology. Morphology is the study of form and structures of living organisms. Anatomy. Anatomy is the internal structures of living organisms. It is the study of internal structures of living organisms. Histology is the microscopic study of tissues. Cell biology, it is the study of structures and functions of cells and cell organelles. It is the study of functions. It is the study of structures and functions of cells and cell organelles. The cell division is also studied in this branch. Next one is physiology. The function of different parts of organisms. The study of functions of different parts of living organism is called physiology. Genetics, the study of genes and their roles in inheritance. Is called genetics. Sociobiology, it is about the social behavior of animals that make societies. It is about the social behavior of animals that make societies. This is called sociobiology. Parasitology is the study of parasites, which are living organisms that lives on the human or other living organisms, and in return they harm them. Embryology. Development of embryo to a new individual. It is called This is called embryology. Taxonomy, the study in which the naming and classification of groups and subgroups of living organisms take place, is called taxonomy. And taxonomy, the naming and classifications of living organisms into groups and subgroups. Paleontology is the study of fossils, which are the remains of extinct organisms. The study of fossils is called paleontology. Environmental biology is the study of interactions between organisms and their environment. Between organisms and their environment, it is called environmental biology. The next branch of biology is biotechnology. Biotechnology is the practical application of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. For the welfare of mankind, this is called biotechnology. In biotechnology, we use the living organisms and make some substances which are helpful or useful for the mankind. Entomology is the study of insects. Entomology is the study of insects. Pharmacology is the study of drugs and their effects on human body. The study of drugs and their effects on human body. This is called pharmacology. So this was our topic.